Hi everyone. Today we're going to have a look at two simple exercises that we can do on the back pillow. They're just to help you release your lower back and any shoulder tension that you have. Even though we're only looking at the lower part of the body, it does actually help with any sort of back stress that you might be having. So position yourself on the pillow so that the base of your skull is on the high point of the pillow. The very first one is very simple. We're simply just going to take the knees from side to side. The thing is that often when we're seeing this exercise, we think that the knees have to touch the floor. Well, they certainly don't. They just go a little way to the side. And the way I like to do this one is I think even just halfway down or even quarter of the way down. If you find you're going halfway down, you're probably going too far. So all we're doing is just taking our knees from side to side. You can see my range is really quite small. And I'm just making sure that I keep the weight of my buttocks on the ground. And I'm really almost just feeling a line across the back of my hip. So the slower I go, the more conscious I am of the hips touching the ground. So I'm just thinking of a low back massage using the floor as my massage tool rather than trying to swing my knees from side to side. So for today we're just going to do a few each way. You can also pay attention to what your chest is doing. Is your upper back arching? And this is where the pillow actually comes in handy, because if we're lying back on the floor without the pillow, which you can do this exercise, you'll notice that your chest will actually usually be up a little bit. But we're going to use the pillow to help us sink into the floor and let that chest just relax, the upper back and neck relax, and allow the hips to get that gentle massage from the floor, just by going from side to side. There's no need to go all the way down to the ground. In fact, as I said before, that can often be too aggressive for your spine if it's feeling a little bit tight. Just this gentle movement, not even halfway down. I even just restrict it to 5 minutes of the clock if you like. So it's like 5 to 12 or 5 minutes past 12 is all your knees are moving, just to get that lower back to relax. And you can do this for up to 2 or 3 minutes, this very gentle movement, just to help the muscles in the spine release. For today we'll just move on to the second exercise, which is basically a hip flexor stretch. But we're going to again use the pillow to support our neck and shoulders, and this requires just to bring the knee up and stretch the other leg down. So I like to keep the second leg active. Can't really see it very much in the video, but I'm pressing it down. I'll change legs just to show you what I'm doing. I'm pressing this leg down. I'm not actually letting it stay bent. I'm pressing it down and pushing through the hip flexor here. So there's a little bit of weight on my heel. The other thing I'm trying to do is, rather than lift my head and be all crunched up in the shoulders, I'm trying to leave the shoulders and the neck on the pillow. So that means that this knee might not go so high. I'm not trying to get it up here somewhere. I'm just allowing the weight of the knee to relax the hips into the floor. It's getting a stretch through this long leg, and the shoulders and head are trying to relax on the pillow. Chest is heavy and soft. Just stay here for a couple of seconds. Probably stay here about 20 seconds on each leg, really. I think when you want to change legs, you'll always bring the legs together and then take the other leg out. So we've just done a leg change there. Make sure that that long leg is heavy and the heel heavy on the floor. And then just take a nice out breath and allow the shoulders to relax on the pillow, head and neck to relax. It's nice to do this one twice through, because the second time you tend to find you get a bit more range. So we'll change our legs again and see how we go. Stretch the leg out. Feel the chest sink into the mat. Shoulders relaxed, head relaxed. You might feel you can put a little bit more pressure on the knee. And there's no need to squeeze this area. In fact, if you're worried about hurting your knee, you can even hold your leg underneath the upper leg. So just hold it near the knee joint to help you get that knee in. Good, let's change sides. Knees up, leg down, press with the heel. Hold on the top if it's comfortable. If it's not comfortable, there's too much pressure on the knee, you can just hold it underneath the leg. Wait for that stretch to happen. All the time trying to take the tension out of the shoulders and the neck. I actually find my abs come on a little bit here just to help my back stretch. My stomach muscles come on a little bit. Maybe yours do too. So these two gentle leg exercises can be done almost continuously. To finish off today, let's go back to the first one. Just press the feet in line with the hips. Open the arms out a little way and just swing the hips again from the knees from side to side, but really just thinking that they're not going very far and just getting that gentle massage across the back of the hips. So there you go, 2 simple exercises to stretch out the lower back using the back pillow, because the back pillow helps us relax and it also helps us support our neck and shoulders when we're lying on the floor. If you have any questions, please pop a comment down below or email us at info@bacpillow.com.au. Okay, look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.